We are going to know about the most important tool to design sheet metal in our CAD software, Creo Parametric. So yeah, when you see sheet metal parts like brackets, plates in a machine, walls or any supports, was modeled, drafted, analyzed and manufactured by some engineers, which tends to solve someone's requirement for something. It may be a problem or a necessity or a requirement. Let me open the Creo. Okay, I'm selecting new file in part and I'm clicking the sheet metal. So first we are going to see extrude and I'm clicking OK. So these are the base datum planes. So I'm taking the front plane and I'm going to click extrude. So we are getting some orientation here. To make the orientation in a 2D draft format, to make our sketch properly, I'm clicking this icon. First what I have to do is, I'm making one line and I'm giving a dimension of 50 mm to 60. Then when I'm clicking OK, I'll get a sheet which extrudes up to 55. By dragging this handle, I can control this extrusion. And here 3 options you will get. This is a variable. From where we sketched, we can extrude how much we need. And this arrow you are seeing, when you are clicking this, the part will go opposite. Then the second option will be symmetric one. This was used in most cases. I too prefer it. When you are clicking symmetry, the extrusion will be evenly splitted from the line we created or in a plane we created. So I am making it as 40. This is reference. So when you are extruding some part up to a reference plane or a reference surface, you will use it. Here it's not necessary, so I'm just ignoring it. And I'm going to set a thickness for this bracket. Let me assume it as 2 mm. When I'm giving thickness for this, you can see automatically a radius was formed. Let me say what happened here. When you are going to options, here radius will be there. The Creo will automatically take the thickness value as a radius. So we need to enter it manually. I'm clicking the thickness here and I'm going with 5 mm. Yeah, you can see the changes in that part. This is our sheet metal bracket which we created now. If you want to hide these planes which seems unwanted, you just simply click here. That's it. This is the use of the extrude tool. Now the second tool, planar. New part, sheet metal, planar. Because I turned off the plane in previous tool, that's why it's not reflecting here. Now I'm taking the top plane to draw. I'm orienting the sketch. Okay, let me take the center rectangle and I'm giving dimension as 200 of 100. Let's create a planar for this. I got a closed sketch over here. When I'm clicking the planar, I'll get a plane surface. And when I'm giving a thickness of 5 mm, Yeah, we created a planar here. We created a plate using a planar command. Thank you.